You might have thought that the baboon on the left is female because of its long hair, but the female ape is actually the one on the right, carrying a baby monkey on her belly. This is another example of traits of male animals being seen as feminine by us. Male animals are often more noticeable than females due to their vibrant colors, extravagant feather ornaments, and fancy long tails. Especially during incubation periods, females tend to have dull colors, helping them stay out of the sight of predators. By having brighter colors, male animals risk being more visible and therefore more vulnerable to predators. The other side of this trade-off is that they're also more noticeable to females and as such have higher chances of mating. The red-winged blackbird has a red shoulder patch that can be shown off to potential males or male competitors, but is kept hidden from predators. Such color differences between sexes actually have a name, sexual dichromatism, and result mainly from the fact that females prefer males that have brighter colors. As females might be occupied with egg incubation, pregnancy, or carrying their offspring, more often than not, there are fewer females available to mate, so men have to compete with each other. The exceptions to this pattern are the species in which these roles are reversed and males are mostly responsible for parental care. Looking good becomes more important to females while males are trying to stay undetected by predators. Such species demonstrate that the sex with the competitive role is more likely to have brighter colors. In species like phalaropes, sandpipers, and button quail, the females are more vibrant while the males have muted, duller coats. Phalaropes are polyandrous. One female mates with multiple males, and the female is bigger with brighter colors. Another example is the belted kingfisher, where females have a red belly band, whereas males do not. Studies on eclectus parrot showed for the first time that bright colors can develop in both sexes at the same time. Recently, researchers realized that birds are able to see a bigger range of colors than people, including colors invisible to the human eye. Thanks to its triple cone structure, birds have an additional color receptor in their retina, enabling them to detect ultraviolet light as well as the color spectrum visible to us. Sensitivity to UV light is particularly relevant when it comes to birds' coats. Even in species where the plumage appears identical to us in both sexes, males actually seem to sport bright UV light, which can help females pick a healthy mate. Now let's take a moment to appreciate male animals showing off their beautiful colors. If you'd like to try imagining what birds see when they look at UV light, click here for part 3 of this series.